Okay, here's very, very interesting. You're more likely to be killed at a dance party than while skydiving.
At a dance party.
In my case, this is probably true.
It's true.
Because my anxiety levels
No,
are
so
much
dance
higher
party,
at
you're
a
saying
dance party than while
other deaths
skydiving.
because of drug overdose or a vending machine at this party fell on them. Or this dance party was in the
I
middle
don't
of the
think they've
ocean.
I don't think they've broken down the statistics exactly.
या
like-
घुटना टूट गया नागिन करते वक्त.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
ये इंडिया में हुआ होगा. एक्स्ट्रा नाच के तेरे को हार्ट अटैक आ गया.
which is
So
basically
wait, डांस पार्टी देना?
Skydiving.
Skydiving.
And I think
लेकिन मैं
it's
सच
true.
बात बताऊं, पर्सनल स्टोरी. मैं अभी जब भी पोर्चुगल गया था ना, so my friend, we were in this place called Algarve, okay, and he said, bro, I'm booking skydiving. तेरा भी कर रहा हूँ और करण मेरे भाई का भी. And in my head, I've always wanted to. I'm severely scared of heights. हाँ, मेरी बहुत गांड फटती है
and
heights से.
pigeons and butterflies
Pigeons,
and
spiders.
moths.
I'm also entomophobic later. Anyway, so
Scared of
I
ants.
immediately said yes without thinking. क्योंकि 3 दिन बाद है. Second, he said, bro, advance भर दिया. I said, cool. On the a day before, कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है. Okay. उठाओ अगले दिन जल्दी. On the way वो पहुंचा है. It's still not sunk in.
मेरा जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा मोमेंट
फिर
हाँ,
उन लोग एक पेपर देते हैं वेयर वेवर है कि अगर हुई मेरी मौत तो इन लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं.
तो स्कूबा डाइविंग में भी
तो अरे लेकिन तू साइन कर रहा है
No,
bro,
man.
पहले बार ये लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट है एक, तू जो साइन कर रहा है, राइट? एंड द थिंग इज यू डोंट
That's
वांट
when
टू
you went कि dance party है क्या?
How are you guys are dealing with, when I say dealing with death, as in say a death has happened, and your process of sort of dealing with it, like if you have to go for the chautha or something like that, how have, like, do you get, I used to get very weird.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Very weird. I mean, obviously, most people, it's not like, oh, chal, death, चौथे पे जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. But sometimes I just feel like, how do you behave? What do you say?
It's one of-
if
yeah.
you're there with your friends, you've just gone for a funeral or whatever, are you okay? Is it okay to laugh? Not at the funeral, but you're walking back, you're by the car, कुछ बोला, तू हंस सकता है क्या? You know, these small things, like, when this is a very personal story. Like the day I found out my Masi passed away, I was at university. ठीक है? I've been called, informed this has happened. I didn't know what it was. Early in the morning in the UK at that point. मैं बाहर जाके बैठा हूँ. I didn't रोया नहीं. And I was really close to my Masi. She was an amazing human being. तो I didn't cry, nothing. I was just there. Public aa raha, I told them, they're like, oh, sorry, this, that. Gone home. In the evening, actually, we've gone out to drink. I'm like, I'll just get my mind off it. I've gone out to drink. Nahi aa raha. I've not been able to cry. Probably a week, 8 days, I have not cried. It's still not hit me. Plus, I wasn't here to see her go away. I was far away. And then one day, randomly, on the 10th day, I was with my then girlfriend, whatever, and we were talking, और poof, जो gate खुला, it didn't stop, because I think it's that crying helps
Processing,
so much. You have to
is
process.
very
You can't shut it away saying nahi.
the problem
I'm
with,
fine.
The problem
You know?
with me is that with moms, I don't think I've still finished the catharsis. You know, like it's such a long drawn.
Oh, I know. We were there together. We had to
Yeah.
clean out his mom's cupboard. And like then, you know, when you open a dead person's cupboard, then you realize how much of life is just things.
Yeah.
And how much you leave behind when you're gone. Like it was just like bags and purses and, you know, and the dupattas were properly put on a hanger as if like a person's going to come back and use it.
Yeah.
And it's fucking
what was
freaky.
crazy is, like, I'll tell you, to answer your question of how do I behave, I think now I've been to enough of these to be able to come to a point where it's okay to have a good moment as long as it's in the celebration of that person's life.
Absolutely.
Like it's
Nobody's going to
okay,
start
like-
going and doing like, oh, bro, ye wala joke sun. Not
Yeah, I'm
that.
not going to do like my Tide
it's,
5.
It's also that, but what happens to me is I get into adrenaline mode. So, like, very recently, a friend lost an uncle. I was in full adrenaline mode. Like, body ye karne hai, wo karne hai, ye karne hai. Like, literally, like, okay, hospital needs this, death certificate has to be done, this has to be done, that. Like,
Right.
till like it's all over. Like, you just sort of. For me, it's that. For me, it's like you just get the work and the shit done because they need the help at that point. So for me, it's that. But when mom passed, I didn't. First 4 days, I was okay. That whole, I had to go to the thing. I was coming back home, And I used to do this thing that I always did, and it annoyed the fuck out of my mother because it would embarrass her. What I would do is, the house is on the 5th floor, so on the elevator, when I got to the 3rd floor, ever since I was 13 years old, I would start screaming, "Mommy! Mommy!" Like ever since I was on the 3rd floor, I would start screaming. And the hope is that by the time I'm on the 5th floor, the door would open because the house is right opposite the elevator. And I would do this, and it would really piss her off. I didn't even realize it. So on the 3rd floor, I start screaming "mummy," and I get to the 5th floor, and I'm fuck. And that's the first time that the tear happened, and that was the first cry. You know, so it's for me. I think dealing with death, I think it's different for everybody. It's different for totally. The one thing that I dislike about the medical
Yeah.
system in this thing, I mean, I've addressed it in my show several times, is just, and I think it comes down to this, right? Like, there's so many of us, and there's so much medical, like, there's deaths every day, right? Like, multiple
There was a
deaths
statistic
every
about
day.
that also, right? Some
150,000 people.
There's a certain medical.
This is an Indian thing?
this is-
Okay, so
There's a medical desensitization.
there is a medical desensitization.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when mom passed, she passed in the ICU, they literally referred to her as, "Aap body kab leke jaoge?" Literally 3-4 minutes after she's passed, like after she's been pronounced, right? Like, you've not even given me time to be with mom
No,
for
I-
a bit.
and-
And it's like body versus mom. Like, uske
Yeah.
liye
and
body
also
hai,
the thing is,
mere liye mom hai.
they're doing it day in and day
And it's
out.
their job,
morning,
you
and
know
it's their
that.
job.
Yeah.
And if they don't do that, the others who are
Needed.
in actual
Yeah.
need will get.
But I
fucked. So
also think
you
that
should-
there is a certain sense of just, even if it is fake, just the certain sense of like, what's it called? Sensitization, in which you can sort of be think like, you know, just wanted to check with you. We're really sorry. Like, start off with, "We're really sorry. Just wanted to know when will you take auntie?" Like, you know, just fucking call her auntie. Like,
Yeah.
for the family at that point, it's not body. It's not bed number 203. You know what I'm saying? It's not that. So I think that training, I think, is genuinely missing. Or maybe it's just a craven sense of just every day doing it for so much time that I think you've forgotten the.
In the 19th century, several inventors came up with safety coffins equipped with bells, flags, and air tubes designed to
I know
help
why.
people avoid being
Yeah.
buried alive.
Alive, yeah. Because of, it could be so many things.
So the thing is, अगर मैं वो जो buried alive as in they were pronounced dead and then they
And they
wake
came
up.
back to life. They were just
Oh,
in
वैसा?
a coma or something. Because coma was not a thing, I think. Like,
Back
No,
then,
but I'm guessing
yeah,
you still have a
अरे हिल
heartbeat,
रहा नहीं है,
I don't
डाल दे चल चल.
no, but heart rate slows down. Heart rate slows down also, right?
Maybe. So, yeah.
No, but a lot of people, yeah, exactly. Like people came, like they woke up in the coffin and they were under 6 feet of,
Yeah.
and they died. So basically, you could hear. So one of the reasons why this came up is because the body doesn't completely cease moving. Okay, for a while.
Right.
Okay, so
Yeah.
like the muscle spasm, the noises happen. So people would hear this shit and be like, "Oh, the person's alive." Okay, so they just said, in case we buried a dude,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put bells, whistles. Do you know this church in Goa which has the body of that
Yeah,
saint?
the priest,
Yeah.
yeah, the saint.
Like Saint
500
Francis
years.
or something.
Ignatius or one of them.
Okay.
Let us know in the comments exactly. But he's not been decaying.
You went to the pyramids?
Yeah.
So last year, I think both of us ended up going. And the thing is, in the pyramids of Giza, the Great Pyramid, there are no mummies.
What?
There have been no mummies found in the Great Pyramid.
Hey,
But
who
they
decided to call
assume-
them mummies?
Mummification, yeah, that's weird.
But daddies.
Yeah. But yeah, उनको mummify करते थे, and the idea, and they were buried with all their riches. So they say that there are still secret compartments within the
Alright.
pyramid that they're too scared to try and push walls because that might just collapse the whole structure.
Holy shit, like a booby trap.
Yeah. Booby trap भी नहीं, just
collapse
basic
the whole
structural-
pyramid.
Yeah.
पागल है क्या?
Yeah, there could be one. They are too
कुछ हो
scared
सकता है
to
लेकिन
push
पूरा
around.
pyramid
Yeah.
No, I
टूट
also,
जाएगा.
I mean, that's also the reason why there are so many, it's protected, and like there are so many people like treasure hunters who keep going. Nicolas Cage has gone several times.
Yeah, Nicolas Cage is one of the
that
most
one
ardent
couple that
followers.
went up and had sex on the top.
What?
Yeah.
उधर जाके उन लोग चल के गए, उधर उन्होंने बैग खोला and they had sex. They
It's
were in the-
illegal, but yeah.
Top of the pyramid?
Yeah, one
Not
of
on the pointy part, bro. थोड़ा side. में.
side में.
I think the pointy part's also a flat part only.
Yeah. And it's not pointy
It's
like
flat.
इतना tip to go in.
Yeah. But why
थोड़ा
are they?
बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा गांठी.
Why would they have sex on top
Why?
of the
It's the ultimate rush technically for somebody who's like mile high club. ये देख pyramid high club.